Hello everyone, my name is Tamara and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make some orange chicken. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button to get notified of new videos that I post. Hit the like button and thank you for watching. Enjoy. For the ingredients you will need 1.5 cups of water, 1/3 cup of rice vinegar. It comes in a bottle that looks like this. 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon orange zest and 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger root, 2 tablespoons chopped green onion, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And for the chicken, you will need 2 chicken breasts cut into 1/2-inch cubes, 3/4 of a cup of flour mixed with 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together, and you also need 3 eggs and oil to fry in. I start off by making the sauce. I add in the water, the rice vinegar, the lemon juice, the orange juice and the orange zest, and the soy sauce. I had about 2 tablespoons left in the bottle, but it came out perfect still. Soy sauce. Do we have any more soy sauce? The recipe calls for 2.5 tablespoons, but it still comes out the same. I'm moving the sauce to the side. I'll get to it later. I'm going to add in oil for frying about 1 inch from the bottom. Now I let the oil get hot while I get the chicken ready. Now we dredge the chicken into the eggs and then into the flour. I did this only one time and it came out really good. You can do it twice to make it crispier. I put cornstarch into the flour mix and that should give it a little more of a crisp too. Now that I'm ready to start frying, I'm going to turn the sauce, the orange sauce, onto medium heat and let that get a little bit hotter before I add in the remaining ingredients. And then I start frying my chicken. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan, because when you add in too much chicken, the oil will cool down and you want the oil to stay hot. I'm making sure the chicken is not too crowded in the pan. Now for the orange sauce, I will add in the cup of packed brown sugar, the green onions, the minced ginger and minced garlic, and the red pepper flakes, which is optional. Now give that a quick mix and then let it come to a boil. I'm checking on my chicken. I'm gonna turn it over and make sure they cook evenly. Now as the orange sauce starts to boil, turn it down so it doesn't overboil or burn. And then I'm going to make a slurry, mixing 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with equal amounts of cold water. Mix the cornstarch and water until the lumps disappear, then add to the orange sauce. Mix the sauce and let it simmer for 1 minute until it thickens. It should look like this, like it's starting to get thick already. When it's done, it should look like this. Now you can turn it off. Now the chicken is done. I'm gonna take it out and put it on a cooling rack. Look how juicy and white it looks and perfect. Look how perfectly golden this looks. The first batch didn't come out as gold because the temperature wasn't as hot, but they all tasted so perfect. Oh yeah, looks good. And now I add it to a bowl and mix the sauce in. You could top this off with a sprinkle of green onions and or some pepper flakes and a slice of orange on the side. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Tell me what you think. Thank you for watching.